Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Welcome, Survivor. In this video, I will explain how to play Ark Survival Evolved. When you first spawn, your immediate goal is survival. You will need to gather basic resources like wood, stone, and thatch from your surroundings. Pay close attention to your character's stats, especially hunger and thirst, which deplete over time. Crafting your first stone pick and hatchet is crucial for efficient gathering. Remember, the world of Ark is vast and full of both beauty and danger, so stay vigilant and learn your environment quickly. Once you have some basic tools, your next step is to build a small shelter. Start with a 1x1 or 2x2 foundation, walls, a door, and a roof. This provides protection from wild creatures and the elements. Crafting a campfire is essential for cooking food and staying warm at night. As you gain experience, you will unlock engrams, which are blueprints for more advanced items and structures. Efficient inventory management and understanding the crafting queue will greatly speed up your progression. Taming dinosaurs is a core mechanic in Ark, offering companions for travel, resource gathering, and combat. To tame, you typically knock a creature unconscious using tranquilizer arrows or darts, then feed it its preferred food. For instance, a dodo might prefer berries, while a larger carnivore needs meat. Maintaining its unconsciousness and protecting it from threats are vital. Taming effectiveness impacts the creature's bonus levels and stats, so try to keep it high for a stronger companion. As you grow stronger, explore Ark's diverse biomes, from lush forests to icy mountains and scorching deserts. Each area offers unique resources and creatures. Continue leveling up your character to unlock more advanced engrams, allowing you to craft better gear, weapons, and structures. Eventually, you can challenge powerful boss creatures found in the obelisks, which require significant preparation and strong tames. Joining a tribe can enhance your experience, providing shared resources, protection, and teamwork for larger goals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.